Hello, my cherished YouTube family. I welcome you all to Efenyao TV. And my name is Derek Steven Sawano. Simply, you can call me Afukojo. I'm your area teacher as usual. Today, we will be looking at something excited as we're looking at some words in how to say them in English. So let's get started. Today, we are looking at take. Take. The first word that we're looking at is to take. And in Ewe, take, we say cho. And you can say it another way. Cho, je, or ho. Depending on the context in which you're using it. So by in English you can say take, by in Ewe it means cho, je, and ho. Let's see the example of this. I can say, take the book from here, or in other words, pick the book from here. It means cho agbanala letepesia in a way. Cho agbanala letepesia. Pick the book from here, or take the book from here. And in the context of the, I may say, take the book away from the table. Take the book away from the table, which is the agbanala le akploaji. The agbanalada le akploaji. Take the book away from the table. And in the third context, that's what is to receive. Take, to receive. Receiving something is what. Like, take this money. Ho Garcia. Ho Garcia. So I can see you understand it. So take in a way is cho. Cho. That's if you are picking something, or you are picking something. That's cho. And je is you are removing something. You are taking a thing away from its original position. That's je. And the last one is ho, like receive, take, receive, take this food, receive this food. Okay, so let's look at another word. And the word that we look at is admittance. Admittance simply means an admission to a place, an admission to a place. And in a way, we say more than. That means you are given away, you are permitted to carry on, murdered, murdered. And you can say it another way too. That's monana. So I can say ode monam. That means I am permitted, or I'm admitted to here. Ode monam. Unamom. I'm admitted. I'm permitted. Okay, so let's look at another one. This one is appointment. Appointment. Appointment is an arrangement to meet. An arrangement to meet this appointment. So, in a way, we say dodo. Dodo. It's an arrangement. Dodo. Or dodo. Or dodri. Some people do say dodri or dodo. They are all an arrangement to meet or to do something. So an appointment is dodo. For instance, let me say I have an appointment to meet, or I have an appointment with a Fukoyo. That means I want to meet Fukoyo. We want to meet. So I can say nye do bebe miakbe. Hello nye kple Fukoyo mie do ibe miakbe. Thank you for watching, and thank you for following. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, do share, and write at the comment section what do you think about this video. If there is any correction you thought I have to make this channel a perfect one, your suggestions all are welcome. And also let me know where you are watching me from at the comment section, so that the next time I'll give you a shout out. Thank you.